Okay, so the next step is to pull out the broiler pan and look into the broiler, and in the very back you will see there is the receptacle, or the pilot light assembly, and you will simply stick a match up to the pilot light and poof, the pilot light is lit. Now if it doesn't light, sometimes you can just move this a little bit and get a little bit of gas flow through there, and in this case it did light properly. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the oven. I'm going to push in on the valve and turn it. Wow. Okay. Oh, and it's lighting very nicely. Okay, we've got good oven operation occurring. Actually, that looks great. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and the pilot light did stay lit. So we have tested the oven. It looks good. I'm going to put the broiler pan back into the oven.